Located in the quiet town of Lincoln, this charming Colonial offers an attached two-car garage and plenty of space for any living situation. Hardwood floors stretch across the open floor plan, giving you all the room you need to entertain. The entry foyer is flanked by a formal dining room and a second living room where oversized windows illuminate every gathering. The kitchen at the rear of the home enjoys custom cabinetry and a bright breakfast area. Off the kitchen are a convenient half bath, laundry area, and a spacious family room where you can gather around the wood-burning fireplace. Outside is a tiered deck that looks out over the private rear yard with an in-ground pool and cabana. On the upper level is the skylit master suite with a lovely ensuite bath with a dual sink vanity. Two generous bedrooms, one of which is currently set up as a study, share a full bath to complete this floor. The finished lower level provides two additional living spaces where you can create a rec room or workspace. Lincoln is a wonderful town with an acclaimed public school system. The Lincoln Woods State Park is a gorgeous park that is over 600 acres of trails, fishing areas, and even a beach. Shop at the Lincoln Mall or enjoy its many restaurants, movie theater, and arcade. Golf enthusiasts will enjoy how close they are to Kirkbrae Country Club. Easy highway access provides a swift commute to downtown Providence and the many cultural opportunities. For more information, please visit the property website or call Allie LaRue at area code 401-330-8230.